What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses. I ordered these about 2 weeks ago. They were ordered in the black with clear transitions to purple. And I just got them, so this will be an unboxing video and my first impression of them. So let's get into it. Slide this away and it comes in this nice fancy box. Says just to pull here, so we'll do that. All right, not so bad. Looks like it comes with a booklet and a soft case, as well as the main case, which appears to be a charging case as well, which is nice. Yeah, there's the charger there. Looks like standard USB-C. Inside the case, looks like we got the glasses and it comes with a bit of charge, so that is nice. I'm looking forward to trying these. It's definitely going to help with these YouTube videos and some other things. And it looks like there's a nose clip as well. And we'll try to get these out of here without... It is kind of difficult, but there we go. So the case wasn't so bad. Looks like glasses as described, black, clear but transition lenses. Those are pretty nice. Now, I wasn't a huge fan of Oakley's sport model. They looked a little big for me, so I went with the HSTN model. Very similar to the Ray-Bans. I just like Oakley as a brand. And these look pretty slick. You got the sound speakers here. Got a little bit of descriptions. Looks like the cameras are right there. I wasn't sure how noticeable they would be, but they look pretty noticeable. And there is the button up here for recording. So as I said, this was going to be a simple unboxing video. Got the glasses, got the case, got a soft cover case, as well as an owner's manual and the box. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see a review of these things and what you want to see. All right, thank you so much.